Let's make keema samosas in the air fryer. I've got 1 kg of chicken keema here. You can use lamb or beef as well. Add a teaspoon of coriander powder, teaspoon of garam masala, teaspoon of paprika, teaspoon of cumin powder, turmeric powder, red chilli flakes, salt, oil, 1 cup of water. Now I'm gonna mix this, cover it and let it cook for 15 to 20 minutes. This is how the keema looks after 15 minutes. Add some frozen peas, chopped capsicum and chopped onion, garlic paste. Mix it and I'm gonna cook this on high heat for another 10 minutes. The filling is cooked. Add some chopped coriander to it and cool the filling down. This is the keema filling. I'm using spring roll sheets to make samosas. So I made the samosas. I'm just gonna make a few. So I'm putting the samosas in a baking dish that fits in my air fryer basket. I spray them. Put these in your air fryer basket. Now I'm gonna air fry these for about 7 to 8 minutes at 200 degrees Celsius. It's been 8 minutes. I'm just gonna flip these, spray them, air fry these for another 5 minutes maybe. These are ready.